Okay guys, in previous video how to add the staircase and how to give this structure we can see in the geometry part was completed in the previous video. Now go for the general properties. For this section click on the general, and next we should give the thickness and properties, beam cursor and column, beam cursor and column cursor. We should give the this section. For this I want to give go for the I want to give the properties of the column surface. Further, I want to go for the define, and in define the circular rectangular will be available. For that, I want to click on in the rectangle surface, and the rectangle surface I want to give the 0.35. This is my column, so 0.35. I am giving the 0.35 into 0.35. This is my beam. This is the beam cursor, and click on add here. And next, I want to give the column structure is 4, 5, and click on add and close it. This is the beam and this is the column. Next thing was I want to give the next step is I want to give the thickness of the plate for the staircase, and click on the thickness here, and here 0.15 I want to give the thickness, and click on enter and close it. The plate thickness was added here this section. And next thing was you should assign this structure for this section. For that, this is my beam position. So for that I want to select beam parallel to here x direction, and beam select beam parallel to z direction. You can assign selected beams and click on assigning and click on OK here. The beams was assigned here. This is the parallel lines which can be represented as a column. So further go for the select here beams parallel to the z direction and select assign. Okay, it will be assigned directly. And next the plate thickness will be assigned directly. We should click on the assign to view and click on assigning. It will be directly assigning the plate thickness. And next thing was I want to again add the thickness here. I want to add the thickness is here. I want to give in this section is surface section is 2.23 and added and close it. Okay, it will be assigned. Further, I want to go for the front view here, top view. For this section, I want to add the surface. So I did not add in the surface. For that, go for the front view and click on the beam cursor cut section and click on OK here. Select the total layer, first layer, and go for the 3D view. And next we can add this surface for the plate surface, and okay, this surface. Okay, we added this thickness. We can select this. Okay, we added it, and go for the translate limit y direction here. Click on y direction. Okay, for I want these points. Weighted section and we giving the side surface for this section. So Okay, like this we should give the surface. Okay. Okay, like this we should give the this section and go for the picture and select it and go for the translate limit with y direction. The 5 meters steps of the 5 steps and 3 meter side. Click on OK here. It will be applied directly and we can see in the we can select it. We can directly assign it. And this section is okay in B okay, now go for the thickness here. Here we should add the surface thickness. The surface thickness was 0.23. I am giving the I am assuming the 0.23 and click on add and close it. Assign to view and click on assign it. It will be directly assigned. And now we should so for that we should see the in 3D view and we can okay we can see in the 3D view how was acting on it. So here we can see the plate surface how was adding on it. And next we did not give in the open area for this slip. So I want to give this section this side I want to add it. So for that I want to go for the front view and go for the cut section here, selected view, click on OK here and select it. Okay, we get it here and go for the 3D view. This section we should give the 3D view and we should take cursors, we should select and simply delete it. So we can see the 3D view. Okay. Oh, I want to delete this section. Delete it. On this surface, I want to add it. Click cursor and okay, I added this section. So this one we should delete it and take again thickness and surface thickness. This is my 123 and click on add it and close it. So assign to view and assign it. Click on icon, it will be assigned and we can see in the 3D view also the was added here. Okay. Go to the whole structure and go for the picture. Select the plate cursor here like this and delete it. Okay, it will be deleted and go for the front view and select this section, select view, highlight only, and okay. Go for the 3D view, and here we can change as okay. Now you can see here like this, and go for the surface plate, and I want to add the stickers for this side. So for that I want to like this. We should add okay. We can see in the 3D view like this. We can see here. And next thing, okay, next you should select the surface and go for the translate method with y direction. The number of steps is 5 and number of the height is the 3 meters height, and let's click on OK here. That will be applied, and we can see in the 3D view how was added here. Like this we can see here. Okay, and next thing, we should leave the surface. Okay, we have assigned it. Next thing, okay, you can see the 3D view how was added here, this thickness. Okay, next thing was the properties given was completed. Now go for the supports. In the supports, we should select the front view, and next create the one support, and it is known as a picture support, and click on array option here and go for the supports here. And next we should track toward the right side or left side. We should down toward the downward direction. Assign to selected node means, and then assign it. Click on OK. It will be assigned it toward the all direction. We can see in the whole structure of 3D view. See, we can see the how was added in this surface. And next the here the thickness properties was completed, and next surface plate completed, and next beam plate and column plate was completed. Now we should give the loads and definition for this structure, and go for the loads. In the loads and definition, we should give the here we should go for the loads and definitions and click on the definitions here. We should take the seismic and click on add here. In the header we should take the IS 90 Indian 1893 to 2002 to 2005, and click on it and go for the generate here. We should select the zone here, and we should give the fourth zone, and click on the generated, and the generator was completed here. And next thing was we should add and specific videos one and close it. You add it and close it. Next go for the window here and simply add it and close it. In the window we should take the calculate as per ASCE 7 and click on it. We can go for the category. We can change as a fourth category. The wind speed is 44. I am selecting on the Hyderabad wind speed, and this you can charge OK and click on OK here. Oh sorry, you can change as 44. we can change as meter per second. We can be such a building. And next thing was here is the category report, and click on apply here. And next main data building, here the building height is the building height is 353 plus 1 15 plus 3 18. The building height is 18, and the building length along the width is 16. And next we can change as the meters. Into the meters we can change it, and click on apply here. Next building design process, click on apply and click on OK here. Get it, and click on add here, and the export one is 1, and click on add and close it. Here we can assign to view and assign it. Okay guys, in next class how to take a load cases details we can see in the next class. Thank you.